and welcome to this video. I want to show you for what I buy. I buy through my Bible. That's my Bible. Amazing. And I put these small book pages inside the book. A little one with Jesus right here, and with the whole family. Some very beautiful cross. A little pom-pom here I make. And put some a little cross. There is nothing. And yes, I open my Bible. This is all my stuff, so I can mark in my Bible for what I study in my Bible. But with the different pens and so much different things and small pieces of the hearts. Has also symbol, but today I will take here this side and make some butterflies inside my book, where I buy this one very beautiful butterflies, and I buy them from Pandero Hobby, and I like them so much. Look at this, very different butterfly. So beautiful. So I take a one and stick it into my Bible here. And where I take, and this book I also buy from Søsterne Grain. And this shop lives in Denmark. But this is a very pretty book. Look all of these pages. So cool, so fine. I love every single stuff in this book. Look how cute it is. Very cute. And some small stickers. These flowers can't pop out. So cool. But today I will take these flowers and stick them into my Bible here. And put one of these butterflies on over it, and put some more flowers inside here, so that can give my book a little 3D effect for my book. All this stuff is so beautiful and so nice. So I love that book so much, and you can also take all of these flowers outside from the book. You can need everything from this book, and I want also to take some small bunnies, put it inside my Bible for these pages for Easter. I make for where there is Easter. So yeah, I make some Easter pages out of this book also. But yeah, let's go on through it, and I will spoil this video so you can see how I make